Today I'm going to demonstrate how to create a program which can ask for entering value from user through console. First of all, we have to import all the necessary package. In this program, we will be needing package name as java.io and the class name is addition. Public static void main. Under void main, I have written here as throw exception. I will give you just a glimpse about throw exceptions. If any exception occur in my when I'm running this program, this would be throwing that exception and executing my program perfectly. I would be demonstrating concept of throws exception in my future programs. First of all, we have to initialize three values as int. So here I have written int a, b, c. Here I have written buffer reader space br equals to new buffer reader, under buffer reader as new input stream reader system.in. Actually, buffer reader is a class which is present in the package as java.io. Buffer reader helps the compiler of the Java to read those values, to take those values which value is being entered by the user in console. So as we know, buffer reader is a class, so we need object reference to access buffer reader. So I have created as buffer reader. It's just like a constructor. Here is the object reference, new buffer reader, new input stream reader. Under buffer reader, we have to specify input stream reader. Under input stream reader, I'm writing system.in. That means I'm telling compiler whenever I call br, that means whenever I call br, that means that line has that at that line the value which is being input by the user have to be stored. First of all, I would be printing a statement called enter first number to add. Then I would be storing that number to a. For storing value which is being entered by the user in a, I will write integer dot parseInt. Actually, whenever you enter value or whenever you do anything, all those things are stored as string in Java. So we need to convert that value from string to integer. That's why we are writing as integer dot parseInt, and we have to store that value as like we have converted that string value into integer. Now we have to tell the compiler that you have to read that value and store it. So we are going to write br as an object reference under buffer reader dot readline method. Readline method is a predefined method which is present under buffer reader class. And guys, keep in mind, under readline, R should be small and L should be capital, and there is no space between readline. Now again, as this program is addition of two number, I would be writing same things for second number also as b. Second number to be stored in b, that is system.out.println. Enter the second number to add. B equals to integer dot parseInt b readline to convert the string into integer and to store in b. Now C is equals to a plus b. Now I would be printing the output of addition of a and b, that is system.out.println sum of two numbers plus c. As the sum of a and b is stored in c, so I would be printing out through c. And guys, remember one thing, a good programmer means A programmer who write and who describe his program under the proportion of 30:70. 30% should be your comments to explain. For example, these are my comments to explain how this program works, and 70% should be your main code. Now I would be compiling this program and running this program to show you the results. First, we have to direct that compiler to your designated position. As I have already saved this file in my C drive Vikas as edition.java, so I'm going to write here as java c edition.java. As you have seen, program compilation is 100% done. Now we have to execute, we have to run that program. For running that program, we have to write java space edition. As you have seen here, it came as enter the first number, like this one, enter the first number to add. I would be entering the number as 5 and you have to press enter. Then it would be coming as enter the second number to add. System, as I have written here as enter the second number to add, I would be writing as 6 and I would be pressing the enter button. Now it would be coming as sum of the two numbers is 11. That means 5 plus 6 is 11, as I have written here. Thank you guys for watching my video.